In the vast realm of health information on the internet, there's a prevalent belief regarding the potential harm of high-protein diets on kidney health. But is this belief grounded in truth? In this video, we'll explore the complex relationship between protein intake and kidney function, shedding light on the latest scientific findings. If you're concerned about your well-being, particularly regarding your kidneys, then this video is a must-watch. We'll uncover truths that might challenge your existing beliefs and equip you with accurate information to make informed decisions about your health. For decades, many, including kidney specialists, have advocated for low-protein diets to optimize kidney function. The rationale behind this recommendation lies in the fact that protein contains nitrogen, which, when metabolized, produces urea that needs to be excreted through the kidneys. The concern is that excessive protein intake might overburden the kidneys, leading to potential harm. However, recent research has challenged this long-standing belief. A comprehensive meta-analysis examined over 100 studies comparing high-protein and low-protein diets and their impact on kidney function. Surprisingly, the analysis found no significant difference in kidney function between the two groups, even among healthy individuals. Furthermore, studies conducted on individuals with kidney disease have shown that moderate protein intake doesn't exacerbate kidney damage. In fact, inadequate protein intake in such cases can impede tissue repair and muscle maintenance, hindering overall health. Contrary to popular misconception, protein itself isn't the culprit for kidney damage. Instead, emerging evidence suggests that processed carbohydrates may play a more significant role in kidney function deterioration. So, how much protein do you actually need? Reputable health organizations recommend a daily protein intake ranging from 0.6 to 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for individuals, with variations based on health status and individual needs. In conclusion, the notion that high-protein diets inherently harm the kidneys is unfounded. It's essential to base dietary choices on reliable scientific evidence rather than unsubstantiated claims. By staying informed and mindful of your protein intake, you can better support your overall kidney health. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on health and nutrition. Thank you for watching, and take care of your kidneys.